Create high-quality graphics without spending a dime. My name is Josh. Welcome to Skill Sprints, where we help you tech your way to the top. Today, we're exploring 3 incredible free tools that you can use to help create professional-looking graphics. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these tools will help you produce high-quality graphics at no cost. First up is GIMP, the GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is an open-source image editor that offers a wide range of features similar to Adobe Photoshop. It's perfect for photo editing, graphic design, and even creating digital art from scratch. With GIMP, you can easily adjust colors, apply filters, and use advanced tools like layers and masks. It's a powerful tool that gives you professional-level control over your graphics. One of the standout features of GIMP is its extensibility through plugins, which can add even more functionality to an already robust toolset. For example, you can use GIMP to remove backgrounds from images, a task often reserved for premium software. Additionally, GIMP supports a wide range of file formats, making it a versatile choice for any project. Next, we have Inkscape, an open-source vector graphics editor. Inkscape is great for creating logos, icons, and complex illustrations. It's comparable to Adobe Illustrator, but completely free. Inkscape allows you to draw shapes, use the pen tool for custom paths, and apply gradients and effects. It's a fantastic tool for any project that requires scalable graphics. One of its most powerful features is the ability to manipulate nodes and paths, giving you precise control over your designs. Inkscape also supports SVG, a standard format for vector graphics, ensuring that your designs are web-ready. You can also create complex illustrations by combining multiple shapes and applying various transformations. Finally, let's talk about Canva. Canva is a web-based design tool that's incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. With Canva, you can quickly create eye-catching social media posts, business cards, flyers, and more. The platform also provides a range of customization options, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to suit your needs. Plus, Canva's collaborative features let you work on designs with team members in real time. Canva also offers a free mobile app so you can design on the go. This flexibility means you can start a project on your computer and finish it on your phone or tablet, making it incredibly convenient for busy schedules. So there you have it, 3 amazing free tools that can help you create professional-looking graphics. GIMP for powerful image editing, Inkscape for vector graphics, and Canva for quick and easy designs. Each of these tools offers unique features that can cater to different aspects of your design needs, all without costing you a penny. Give them a try and see how they can transform your projects. Whether you're touching up a photo, designing a logo, or creating social media content, these tools have got you covered. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.